For the repair of the BLDC M driver and M driver auto relay by KASSIDIARIS, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 12 VDC power supply, a multimeter and a generator. We apply a 12 VDC pulse using a generator and send the command to the relay. On the multimeter, we observe the indication that the relay is functioning and closing the contact. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the BLDC M driver and M driver auto relay by KASSIDIARIS are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.